Hello, my name is Carla VILALLONGA from Complutense University of Madrid. In this presentation, I share a case study on theater-based workshops for university students focusing on socio-emotional development, intercultural communication, and sense of belonging within the CASEL framework. This study responds to the growing concern about mental health and social emotional well being in higher education and the need for approaches that address students as whole persons. The central question is how can a theater workshop support social emotional competences in a multicultural group of university students? Students participated in a 13-session workshop called Communication Through Drama, with 3-hour weekly sessions over one semester. Each session combined physical warm-up, sensory work, improvisation, and guided reflection, and the course culminated in individual monologues. The research uses a mixed method design with a quasi-experimental component and a phenomenological case study drawing on pre and post workshop questionnaires based on CASEL, short reflections, and end of course student narratives. One key theme in the narratives is a change in how students relate to themselves. Several describe learning to take life a bit more lightly and to worry less about external judgment, both on stage and in their daily lives. One student writes, the drama helped her let go of the constant fear of what others might think and act from a place of ownership over her choices. Another explains that theater exercises taught her to breathe, be present, and recognize when she needs a pause, using artistic practice as self care during a demanding semester. These experiences reflect growth in self awareness and self management. A second theme is the transformation of relationships and group atmosphere. Students describe connecting with their peers at an artistic, even spiritual level, saying that theater helped them remove masks, share vulnerabilities, and build trust. For many, the workshop became a weekly oasis amid academic pressure, a space to play, take risks together, and feel seen. One narrative highlights that a meaningful friendship emerged thanks to this openness and that meeting classmates from theater around campus made the university feel more familiar and welcoming. The third theme is intercultural learning. The groups are highly diverse, with Erasmus and full degree students from different countries and disciplines. One Erasmus student explains that arriving in a new country and language was overwhelming, and that the drama course became a place to feel rooted, connect with other international students, and understand different cultural backgrounds. For example, through an activity staging key moments from their country's history. For this student, drama was a key part of feeling at home in Madrid and of the overall Erasmus experience. Across these narratives, theater based workshops appear to support several social emotional competences at once: greater self confidence and emotional awareness, healthier ways of managing stress, deeper relationships, and a stronger sense of belonging, and richer intercultural understanding. From a pedagogical perspective, this case study suggests that actor training can be integrated into university curricula not only to teach performance, but to create spaces where students explore who they are, how they relate to others, and how they navigate life in a multicultural environment. Thank you very much for your attention.